Slamming knockdown there on those fighters. His comrades running to prevent the winner from climbing over him in domination. And Pagon down Nigeria challenging him. I'm Antonio Keleke, and always a pleasure. Let's quickly dive into this episode of the Dambe Warriors. Pagon Dan Ashino fighting against Mola Mola of the House of Jamus. Whoa, Mola Mola, it's been a long time we saw this fighter. This is one of, when you say Dambe Warriors are itinerants, getting slammed in the face repeatedly from Shagun Dan Ashino. When we say fighters are itinerants, Mola Mola epitomizes one of that fighter. Well known in the city of Kano. Now he is here in the arena of fire, flying straight, and it could be only one or two reasons that has brought him here: in search of more fame and fortune, increase his brand awareness across the Dambe world. Shagun Danashino, one fighter I've seen, has a different style of standing in contrast to the other warriors who take the traditional stance. Both fighters not making any good impact so far. Oh, the right who gets him and follows through! Oh, Lord! No! Tagodan Ashino has just an upset in the Dambe Arena. Spectators are losing their mind and going wild. Stay short. I want to watch a replay of that. That was a bloody knockdown. A knockout. Let's see. Come on. It's so great to analyze that. He was definitely packing a punch with that stance he took. And a right hook slams into Mola Mola's jaw. Takes him down with a back hook, back to the head. Whoa, Mola Mola's sprawling all out on the floor, like as if he's calling for help. And Mahakachin and then Nigeria quickly rushes into his aid to prevent him from being crossed over in domination. It's quite a humiliating way to finish them up. And they are in disbelief, like Mola Mola himself looks at his fist of fury. I mean, come on, what happened? But that's Dambe. The underdog will definitely take out the more experienced fighter. Mola Mola is well known in the world of Dambe, well experienced, he's taking out more formidable opponents. And here he is living up to face defeat and to redeem the image of the House of Jamus. Pagon down Nigeria runs into go challenge Danashino. So fans tells him, yes, go on, take him out. That is just a good profile, sport to watch. And remember to turn on the post notification bell icon when you subscribe to Dambe Warriors channel. New videos every day. And Danashino keeps telling Pagon Nigeria to easy, take it easy. But the defeat was humiliating to the House of Jamus, and Dan Nigeria needs to redeem the honor. So follow us on all social media, watch the new clip. Would there be a rematch? May the fist of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.